Okay, hey, how y'all doing today? Me, I'm doing fine in this lovely ice, snowy weather. But anyways, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment down below. So today, so in this video, I'll be doing we're gonna be doing it together. Rear end car decal. We're gonna be doing this together to see how it goes and turn out. Cause I don't know where I put it at, but here it go right here. So what we're gonna be doing is this. Winnie the Pooh. I'm gonna take the background and all that stuff out of there. But we're gonna be doing Winnie the Pooh, as y'all can see close up on what I showed y'all. So let's get started. But when I looked up the measurements, it says 5 to 8 inches. So we're gonna see how that looks on canvas, not canvas, but the Cricut cutter thing, which it is canvas too. But we're gonna see what it's gonna look like. Look like it's been downloaded. It has been downloaded. I'm gonna put Pooh. Here we're gonna put Pooh on here. Decal. So what we're gonna do is go back down here, and then we're gonna go to Cricut Cutter Design Space. So we're gonna go with blank canvas to see the numbers on here that I need to be doing. Because she wants it big, not medium, not small, not big, not medium, but just right in her on her car review in the back. Really, however you say that, I don't know. But she wants that, so we're gonna go to upload on the side over here. I know y'all can't see right here, but y'all can just watch me because I'm not gonna talk. Okay, so I had to do it over, and it's like this now. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take the background out of it to see how it will look. So I don't like that one, so I'm gonna have to change it on here. The letters. I'm gonna take this off and move it up here and just type in this word. And we're going to put that white. And then we're going to take it and we're going to take it and curve it. Yes, just like that. But I think I'm going to put it, purple. Yeah. I'm going to put it purple. That is her favorite color. So we're going to do purple and then we're going to come up here and save it so we can get it going. Okay, so we're going to go right back and do this same thing again. But I want y'all to watch me. I don't know if y'all can see it real good. I'll leave it just like that. And that's how I'm going to let y'all see it. And then but what I did, make sure the background, all that stuff is off of there, so I won't have to worry about when I go and cut it out. That is, still on there. So we're gonna go right here, and I always look right here. So what I gotta do is go back and get in between over this side where the honey is dripping from, and make sure that it's right. So now it's right because it shows it right here, so I have to go over here. And we're gonna push continue. Okay, so it's like this when it has this, if y'all could see, it's a little red dot right here. I have to click that to make sure and size it right. And it says something about the if it come out right, I'm gonna have to write this down. Matter of fact, I'm gonna write it down now. How much it is on there. So if it do come out right, I know how big to put it for a car decal. If it come out right. So I'm gonna click over here and I'm gonna click make. And yes, I'm gonna save it. Let me just put decal 2. So it's saved. And by the way, it's in 3D. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done with it. It's in 3D. So this is what it's gonna look like. Like this. So what we're gonna do is click continue. We're gonna print. We're gonna print it. And it's over there, and I'm not gonna show that wave over there. Just know it's printing. I'm gonna have my daughter to give it to me when it's done. And somebody been messing with my stuff. That's why is it? So why is it on print? I'm at paper plus. Somebody's been messing with it, but I'll show y'all when I come back. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. It's gonna be on the back of her car. So, so we're going to go ahead and put the line, well, not the line, the mark on it so you can cut it all the way out. Because if you now and then I have to put my thing on there. So I have to put this laminated paper on here so that it will, like if it get wet or something like that, it won't bother it. I want my stuff to be right, not no half done or none of that. But I'm gonna cut it out while I'm off camera. Okay, so I put the label thing on here and make sure that it's on there right good. Then I'm gonna pull it. And then I'm gonna just do it like this. So it couldn't be in the right. And then that's what it's looking like with the label laminated on there. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna stick it on my board. But I'll be back. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. And I'm gonna make sure that I put it on here right because I don't have time for all that other stuff. They not cold. I mean, they not cold like yesterday. I don't know what was on. It's still cold. You know, Texas snow, no, and then, so you know how there's no snow down here like that? And it's like a line of Chinese people. Big one right there. There's some, I done put it on here already. So we're gonna go ahead and, let's see. Okay, so now it's that vinyl. Okay. It's that vinyl. So we're gonna push it on in there. And we're gonna come over here and we're gonna push deep point blade so it can get in there. And then we're gonna always push go like to make it fast. So make sure it's on here right. And we're gonna go ahead and do it. It's probably ain't gonna do because it got too much, it's too shiny. Hopefully it'll do right. Yeah, hopefully it will do right. Okay, so I'm gonna see. I'm gonna pull y'all down, and I'm gonna see if it got the if I can pull it. So I'm gonna have to do this like one more time so that it can basically cut down in there, because I want her to just pull it off instead of having just to take it, pull it off. No, I don't want it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. So we're gonna take it out. And this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is yes, okay. So see, it did it itself. So that's what I wanted, and that's what I got. I'm gonna have to start doing all of them like that, because if you just do it one time, it's not gonna do right. So I'm gonna have to. Ooh, see, that's another thing. You gotta be careful how you peel it off too, because the back part will be like that. The back part. But this is hers. Gotta show her whenever, whenever she when I call her back. But yeah. But like I said, this is the finished touch. But it will be on her back of her car. I had put the laminated paper on here, so like if it rain or something, it won't mess her thing up, her decal up. So we're gonna see how that works. See how it do whenever she come and get it and all that good stuff. I'll probably put it on the short so y'all can see. I don't know yet, but this is what she wanted. And y'all can see what she is or whatever, but anyways, this is what she wanted, so I put it in what she wanted, and this is what she got. But this is the end of my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Yeah, don't forget to comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.